Nothing has changed, still nothing to say. And we dedicated time to perfect the craft, and we the chosen few that still respect the art. And we overshoot in the vocal booth, got an element that was shown and proved. And we dedicated time to perfect the craft. We the chosen few that still respect the art. Injecting my blood with make sure the drugs for an adrenaline rush, feel no pain.
Say you might want to move my cup.
For what? It's a video.
Okay.
You don't tell, Cody.
Talking about the Tim Hortons, we don't need a leasing sign here or fucking...
They can pay me if they want.
I thought we have to pay them.
Nah, they gotta pay us because they're like, oh shit, look at these Canadian kids doing shit. They got Timmy's.
And they got a Timmy's.
They can just pay me in free coffee. Like, that's fine with me.
Just kidding.
Always. Broke the tip.
Yeah. It's because I've heated it up for clay and stuff.
Oh, true.
Try to like make moldings in and stuff of plastic, but it didn't really work when I tried.
And all this, I'll just probably like speed up anyway.
Original issued in Series 13, Ultra Action figures.
Oh, that's cool.
Spawn Mutations. Al Simmons, Spawn.
Mount Bolgia is the
that
Satan
creature,
of it.
yeah. Kin,
The
Angel
Al Simmons
Warrior.
is really cool.
Yeah, it's really cool. And Collectors Club and Movie Maniacs, all with
See, Movie Maniacs, my Freddy one is from the Movie Maniacs series.
I love that alien, man.
Oh yeah, they're dope, dude. The Predator ones are sick.
Yeah, those
That's
are really
cool.
And then
Nice little fold out there.
Yeah.
Thus begins the real struggle.
Pretty much.
I was getting patient and just cut them all.
See, if there was like a million little ones like this for the bat, then I'd probably like ching, ching, ching. Cut them.
Oh, the bats are all additional pieces.
Yeah, I gotta attach them on.
That's dope.
Yeah.
Because then you can have it where it either like he has them or he doesn't.
Or he
have
doesn't.
them.
I can have the bats like either laying on the floor around him or something.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Make a little scene. Crazy Mad Max featuring sword and like machete type deal.
Pretty much.
Beautiful. Yeah, that's all one. That's there.
Get out!
I now know your struggles.
It's worse with the Black Series figures or like the guys with like the thin legs.
Oh, yeah.
Cause you gotta like pop them out like one by one as you go up.
Oh, that sucks. So yeah, his cape's like, it's cloth, but it's got like a paint on it. It's made it like it so it stays stiff in a sort of sense, you know what I mean?
Oh, that's cool. It's made to look weathered.
Feel it.
Oh yeah, it's made to look like it's old and like it's been through shit.
Yeah. Pretty cool. Pretty fucking sweet, man.
After war for King.
Yeah, exactly. I'm gonna pop these bats on, see how they look. Little Spawntastic. That's pretty cool. Nice little set there.
Yeah, that looks dope. Cause you have like the original look and like the
reborn
a variant version.
Yeah, that is awesome. Little shorter than the original version, but
It's up to you if we go for a walk. We just go down to like the fucking